Are you having problems with the auto scroll function missing on your TikTok and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this, because yesterday I had the exact same problem, and I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. So the first step is going to be for us to go into our TikTok app and then come to our profile right here, as you can see. So now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do firstly is to click on the three lines in the top right corners. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, we get a couple of options in here, which is great. What you're going to do on this page is to click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now you should be taken to this page. What you're going to do now on this page is to just simply scroll down in here. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says report a problem, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on report a problem, wait for it to load, and perfect, you should now be taken to this page. What you're going to do now on this page is to just simply scroll all the way down and then click on submit a report. So click on submit a report, just going to load here for us, and perfect, we should now be taken to this page. And now you might wonder, why do I have to come to this page right here? And that is a great question. The reason why I need to come to this page right here is because in here we're able to contact the TikTok customer support, and they are the only ones that can help us to fix this issue, basically, because as I said before, yesterday I had the exact same problem. So I went in here and I'm going to show you exactly what I wrote to them. I am missing the auto scroll feature on my TikTok account right now. Sorry, right now. I need this to be fixed. So basically, only write like this now to their support. I am missing the auto scroll feature on my TikTok account right now. I need this to be fixed. And don't forget to click on submit, of course. And what will happen now is that it will take, for me, it took about 24 hours, but it can take 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to see this. And hopefully, after they have seen this, then this should be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.